morning, my people, and welcome back to Football Mede Podcast by the Republicans. My name is Jovita Eke, and of course, I know I can come alone as usual. I be like Liverpool. I did here with Emmanuel Atta and of course Onokala Onyebuchi, the most expensive and of course the big face himself. Ona, welcome.
Don't introduce both of us at the same time.
No face.
We are not level mates. You call my name first before you call me boy name. God bless you.
Jovita, next time, ladies first.
Agree. Woman right activist. Let's go.
All right, no be small something. Make we get down to business, and of course, as usual, we carry better yarning points come. And one of those yarning points where we say we'll go take a look at, now the one we concern the Super Eagles of Nigeria with a countdown to the World Cup qualifiers. And right now, the group where Nigeria dey inside, the place where we say Nigeria dey inside, that's something where we say a lot of people don't even lose hope. But then maybe we go get small hope, especially with the one where they come up against Rwanda and of course against Zimbabwe. Currently, Nigeria they on top 3 points, and of course you see the likes of Rwanda, Benin Republic, South Africa, then they are ahead of Nigeria, and of course Nigeria, Zimbabwe, I don't know. But only 1 point that separate the two of them. This one they 3 points, this one they 2 points. So right now he get as he take day. But then with the coming of Eric Sekou Chelle, he don't travel. Ajala the traveler go round, go make sure say he touchlight some of these players, and now he don't come bring out a provisional list. Not be the main list, so a provisional list where he invite plenty players come. But then that one we go talk about, guys. This lovely, wonderful Wednesday. We want to talk about Eric Sekou Chelle, and of course this provisional list where we say he bring out, and of course Nigeria position on top that CAF qualifiers table. So right now, as far as today concerned, make we'll take a look at that list. Where we get Samuel Chukwueze, Victor Osimhen, Ademola Lookman, Kelechi Iheanacho, Victor Boniface, Moses Simons,
You call of
Adekumar,
them?
Nathan Tellers,
All right.
Ridesa Stolu, Akroko Dare, Chidera Ejuke, Paul Onuachu, Ahmed Musa, Jerome Accord Adams. That one the forwards be that one. Midfielders, Miguel Wilfred Ndidi, Rafael Onyedika, Al Hassan, Yusuf Abdullahi, Fisayo Dele Bashiru, Frank Onyeka, Alexi Wobi, Joe Aribo, Anthony Dennis, Crisantos Uche, Papa Daniel Mustafa. Defenders, we get William Trustekong, Bright Osai Samuel, Bruno Onyemechi, Gabriel Oshaw, Calvin Bassi Olaino, Zaidu Sanusi, we just come back from Wunjo, Igor Ogu, Jordan Torinariga, we get Ifeanyi Onyebuchi, and goalkeepers, we just get like 5 of them. We'll be Stanley Nwabali, Mariko Okoye, Amas Obasoje, Adeleye Adebayo, and of course Kayode Bankole. All these players, they on top the provisional list. But then for you, now even the right time to bring the provisional list, I mean for just bring out the list once and for all.
Sexy. If God no bless you, devil go bless you. Oh, sorry. Devil shall not go curse you. Number one, this provisional list for just 2 games, him, Eric Chelle, you don't already know players we want. I am 100% sure. If you want to make up your mind of 95% of players he wants, then make him just resign. For what? For what? This is not politics. This is not being inclusivity. Choose player who say you want, you're 23, and let them get ready and get a backup list. There's a reason for a backup list. In case of injury, then the players, they step up. What is the essence of 39 players? What do they find? Now, biscuit they go buy?
Okay,
We prepare for 2 most important qualification. Brother, we have to win all our games. All. We do on 3 points. After 4 games, 3 points. After this grace to even all say this level with this kind of players. If you see our players they in their prime. Victor Osimhen is 26. That's not going to be 31 in the next World Cup. Samuel Chukwueze is 26. And the 29. To second 31.
Gradually,
These players, they're not getting younger anymore. They are getting older. They're in their prime. And say for this kind of set, see, not insults to Nigerian football, but this is one of the best sets of talented players we don't get in a very long time. Forget about maybe not back in 1994, so we get those their Kano or Kocha their sets. Those were fantastic. This set, we they misuse them, we they underutilize them. At the para, now they invite. Like where they go pot, they invite fowl, hen, chicken. Everybody, it's nonsense, man. I wish I'm the best of luck, but I get feeling. Say this one because people play at their list. all those NFL, all of them put their player for the list. That's the reason why. Nonsense.
Ima, make we take a look at when this man first come. We hear say travel, go around, go meet some players, especially for Europe. We don't see him come the National League for here, the Nigerian Premier Football League. We don't hear and see him where he visits some match venues and all that. But then, for you, all this wakaring way they do, how you feel say it will carry impact on top of a relationship with these players at the end of the day?
I never support the waka away and waka because coaches will come before them. They don't give those coaches opportunity to waka. But the fact say in the local league side waka around, I get my belief that they think for them. Say maybe won't just get backup plans. Say maybe in they try to get some 4-5 strong home-based players where you put inside the squad. That is why they go through the Nigerian Premier League stadiums. I don't see them where you come. Only come Mobalazi Johnson Arena for Ikorodu City versus Kanopela games. I say I'm come there. I don't see when you go Remo Star Stadium, go watch some games. So I feel say you don't even go Mohamed Dimko Stadium for Castina, go watch Castina United games. So I feel say in they go around these stadiums to get at least 5 quality players to join the players where you will get to execute
for the list
to execute in plan. But the fact say it bring these plenty names. They tried let Nigeria know say okay, I don't walk up around the world from the Nigerian League to Bodo, Europe, and I don't get all the list of players I want. Now these players, part of them now execute the 2 games against Rwanda for away and against Zimbabwe for home. Now I think my belief system be that, but I just hope say the maximum 6 points supposed come.
Now all the best still stay with Emmanuel.
You know get shame. What could stay with him? With this body man.
All the waka for the Nigerian Premier Football League now only 4 home-based players. Now you see Kolobi, Kolobi, Kayode Bankole from Remo Stars, Ifeanyi Onyebuchi from Rangers, Papa Daniel Mustafa from Niger Tornadoes, and of course Ahmed Musa from Kano Pillars.
Fantastic. Kayode Bankole, one of the saviour sons for Nigerian Premier Football League. And if you look where Remo Stars are at the top of the table, I will start with the goalkeeper, and then for we'll get Bruno Onyebuchi, fantastic defender. You understand? Your name no the.
No, not my name.
You know you.
People don't know my name Onyebuchi. They have no idea.
So I go say, well, those people actually deserve. But the only problem I get now, Ahmed Musa for that list. You know, Ahmed Musa is a fantastic player, but in this time and age and prime, the way this set of boys they, I believe say in coming to the Super Eagles. No suppose be say in the come pick shit. Except they can't come to ginger the boys. Maybe they bring stability, peace, unity to the dressing room. Because I know say Ahmed Musa picking shit for the first lineup of the Super Eagles.
What do you feel say be the essence of his inclusion?
Not
experience, not to ginger, not to be assistant.
You will not know say Eric Sekou Chelle no sabi speak English.
Who tell you?
You know sabi speak English. You understand? So maybe Ahmed Musa go to help him.
This is the most stupid statement.
You understand? Because you never listen to interview. I will send you interview. You know I don't know because one thing where they teach us for communication, they say the essence of marketing first na communication. God. So now you dey market your products, you dey bring your tactics to the Super Eagles. You understand? And you get problem with language. First of all, you are 95% failed. You don't 95% because how you want to interpret wetin the tactics we want. Wetin want tell Victor Moses? Victor Boniface, abi Victor Osimhen. So, but when you get the likes of Ahmed Musa for your touchline or your dressing room, it go help convey the message faster.
So that
and they go respect because Ahmed Musa na governor na respect.
I no go call her waste that slot, but in a way that
push waste. They not waste time now. He go do his job there now. You know say your new coaches have to speak English. Even pidgin they fluently.
By the way, that. To correct, don't be wrong. In English, no, they 100%. Yeah. But in the try, he can communicate the basic in terms of.
In they talk like Labana.
In the try, no.
Labana doesn't speak English.
By the way, coming out to say Ahmed Musa go they translate English is the wrongest thing to say, because Imam he speaks English, but let's be honest here, he's more of a Hausa boy. He's an Aboki, so no need to go there about.
And now he go speak, he go pass instruction through.
For me, I don't really like the inclusion of Ahmed Musa. I don't like him because. We don't move on from Ahmed Musa. No insult to him. Legend. Governor of the color. Respected by every player. I don't talk to 1 or 2, even like 5 players. All of them they speak well about Ahmed Musa. All of them.
Now great guy.
Great guy. Yeah. Great personality. They help everybody when go. But the team, honestly don't move from Ahmed Musa. We don't want for that sport. We say we're going to need a leader to inspire the team. These boys, they are professional football players. Where every 23 players was supposed to at least get chance to play, not to waste a slot. Being honest, we know Ahmed Musa no go start. We know say they hard for him to play. We know.
Yeah.
So we need players who say we know say on a good day go fight to play. This not they come here can't take slot. You come here to compete. That is the cocoa. We come here to compete. And you go tell me say we not go do it with Ahmed Musa. Are you kidding me? Truth Ekong no be leader. Ndidi no be leader. Osimhen no be leader.
These are oldies for the team.
So you don't need to they say when they go out because they lack leadership. On a good day, you as a coach, are you not a leader too? What is your job to motivate the boys? Not being there, that's say, no, in the 4 games, we collect 3 points from 4 games. What do you lead? So no insult to Musa.
Lead 4 points.
No insult to him, but I think the squad have already moved on for him. Going back no make sense at all. I don't like him.
Now, make we look at Eric Sekou Chelle first game. It's so unfortunate, say, na do or die affair. It takes starts in Gasaba.
Against Zimbabwe, I be.
Against Rwanda.
Against
Rwanda. Now, normally, he's supposed at least to do some kind of warm-ups with the players before these crucial games. But unfortunately,
21st.
First of the first game in charge, na very crucial one against Rwanda and another crucial one against Zimbabwe. You feel say that level of pressure where in no feel when in be Mali coach go day in head this time around.
Like I don't know about him, but like me, I eat pressure for breakfast. I love pressure. Even pressure to me, I eat it. I eat it. I love pressure. So Sekou Eric Chelle don't get plenty experience as coach. Pressure should be nothing to him. Football as a job is pressure already. And no insult to him. He's coaching the biggest African football team. No insult. We don't know who will be. On a good day, who be Rwanda, Papa? More they know on the day. Better than they win the first. Who be their Papa? They crazy rich. Rwanda. Now because we don't carry ourselves, go down, finish Rwanda, they follow us. They jack. So it pisses me off to the level we say we're going to prepare like say we go into our sport against Rwanda. If Sekou Eric Chelle, they won't tell him, we need to win every game. Not just win, but win convincingly. Not mention pressure to me. These players, they play international football. They play in front of 60,000, a lot of fans. Which pressure one day, we say a lot of fans, they watch you. Which pressure one day again? Football is pressure. If Sekou Eric Chelle cannot go World Cup, no be say I go threaten now, but something bad will happen. No, we have to go that World Cup. We have to go. Something it's on you. It's on site. You no go World Cup. It's on site. Sekou Eric Chelle.
And talking about Rwanda, they just employ one new coach now. We be saying name na Adel Amrouche.
In Papa and in Papa.
Now man we be say he don't leave a mark when it comes to football for African continent. Yeah. And now they don't go carry and come. The last time when Nigeria and Rwanda been play, na draw will be end up. But this time around, with this man for their back.
If on the 21st, they retest, no be the coach, no be Eric Sekou Chelle get the retest. Now the boys, the individual input of the boys. Because I talk off camera say
talk on camera now, you fool.
Nothing where this man they come teach the likes of Trust Ekong or Victor Boniface, Ademola Lookman or Victor Osimhen. They know the importance of the game. Now their input, they will believe say, look, the last World Cup will not only escape by the fact we considered one goal. You know, say Ghana no beat us, we play 0-0, play 1-1 for here, and that one goal.
Beat us, they qualify.
So they don't know that impact. Say that 6 points or nothing from these 2 games. It is not be the coach impact. The coach will say you 3 defenders at the back, 5. Those boys now then go determine the game. So the reason why Rwanda bring that coach, they know how important for the first time in their career as a football federation, Rwanda, they are the top. They see the World Cup, they see them like this. They be like Moses, they see the promised land, and they see a Super Eagles, giant of Africa. So they go stand like giant killer against us. But we just get 90 minutes to prove for Kigali. And the coach, where they employ, now coach, you know African football, you know the system very well. So in presence for touchline, go be another factor, advantage to the host team.
They try make very good points, but get the OT to express them properly. You know, if you come out to call the tell me say the coach no get impact, it's very wrong English. You know what impact mean? He has no idea. What do you mean impact? He has no idea.
This coach don't coach you before.
He has no idea.
Wait. This Eric Sekou Chelle he don't coach you before.
Let me explain what you cannot say.
Wait.
Let me explain what you cannot say. I'm not here to shout. You say you don't go shout now. Let me explain what you cannot say.
Laba, if they give you money.
Let me explain what you cannot say.
If you are working with NFF, they give you money.
Let me educate you.
This coach don't educate me because you don't have education.
You're fucking illiterate.
If this coach just show glass, you're supposed to employ this coach for Nigeria Football Federation in your right senses with the school where you go. And because I know so you get better. You go carry this coach.
I don't go better school. I go up so very useless school. I don't go better school.
Uturu.
Useless. Uturu. The very useless school. To make him point clear, you can't come out. If not me, for the level of Nigeria, I not go appoint Eric Chelle. But I won't make him feel foolish. Make I insult myself because I won't make him win. Yeah. I don't go appoint them, but I don't appoint them already. So I don't get any choice but to support them. And you can't come out and talk, say, coach, no get impact. Coach is the structure of a team. So you don't go say, coach, get impact. If you win, you go send at the boys. If you lose, you go blame them. Let's be honest here. Yes, it did on the boys. For them, for their own record. Talk, say, me, I go World Cup. Now, one of the biggest achievement for every football player, I go. Because you know, say on a good day, Jovita, everybody cannot win it.
Jovita,
so you can't come and say,
stand on touchline on the 21st, Rwanda, Nigeria. They improve in CV.
And now we know now
as a coach.
You know, at some point,
okay,
you get
maybe we take a look
like
at.
You know,
say,
brain.
For some time now, within a space of I think 3 years, we don't get like after Genotro, we get a Guavon, Passeru come, Finidi come, then now we can't get this guy. But we look
why
at
they
the
call
quality.
His name Sekou Chelle.
Sekou Chelle.
Or not Chelle.
Okay, now, make we take a look at the quality of the players where we get for inside this team, whether they call Super Eagles, and also look at the possible names where you feel say go make the list at the end of the day.
Of course,
100%.
Goalkeeper, most are from the goalkeepers.
See, look, three
goalkeeper,
Maduka, and this Amas Obasoge guy.
Goalkeeper Stanley Nwabali and Kayode Abankole supposed make that list first based on their point.
Obasoge go join.
But we think they play for Sudan. We think they sell for Sudan. They talk about what we see.
Don't be biased. You're a stupid man.
Do you know what do we they see?
Who be Adebayo? I don't know him.
What do we they see for Remo Stars? What do we numbers of
you want chop the mic? Calm down. Talk. Stay far from.
Okay, for the goalkeepers, we mean my shows on your shows. Stanley Nwabali.
No, they don't put you on. Don't you come.
Kyle Bankole will make the list. For the defenders.
So no hope for Adebayo and Amas Abasoji.
No. Okay. Two first now.
All right.
For the defenders, William Trust Ekong. Calvin Bassey go there. Ola, fantastic.
Wait, why you put Maduko Okoye? Because they play for abroad.
I don't put Maduko Okoye now.
Indian form, no.
I say Stanley Nwabali and Kayode Bankole now.
Like he has been doing it for the last couple of years.
You understand now, Pico. So for defenders, William Trust Ekong go there. Ola, go there. Calvin Bassey they inform. I like Bright Osai Samuel. I like the job when they do for Fenerbahce there. So in supposed normally make my squad for that. And then of course Bruno Yemeshi go also join that squad. Then for the middle of the pack, where we friend did go there for me. Raphael Onyedika fantastic for Club Brugge. I see a job waiting they do for Champions League. Alassane Yusuf Abdullahi go there. Fisayo Dele Bashiru no go there because he get injury. I don't know what they do there. Alex Obi go there. That's now only them. And then for the attack, of course.
No for Joe Aribo.
No. You know, make it go race.
Okay.
Yeah, for the attack, Victor Osimhen number 1, Ademola Lookman go there, Victor Boniface supposed there.
Okay.
And then Moses Simon, fantastic supposed there, and of course Chidera Ejuka make it there because African football.
You see that A, you see there.
Chidera Ejuke. So I don't pick my own.
All right.
I don't need to pick. I can't waste my time and pick. I can't waste my time. If you get sense.
So, Moku look at the quality of the players.
Brother, let's be honest. Bro, this, 90% of our players are regulars in their football clubs. 90%. Goalkeeper, first choice. Nwabali, man of the match last week.
Yes.
Regular. Tus Ekong, doing well in Saudi Arabia right now. We they see Calvin Bassey. Regularly playing for Fulham. Bright Osai is a regular for WND. So all these players, Bruno Yemechi, we don't go Olympiacos right now, don't they adapt? But these are regular players. We enter midfield, we see Ndidi, back from injury, enter the squad immediately. See what if this guy in the Frank Oyeka, they do well for Wolfsburg. So even this new boy, Christiantus Uche, do well right now for Spain. So most of these players are regulars. You enter the men's squad, Osimhen, if you know somebody if you start, Ademola Lookman. And I don't know why you're not shot the year. I have nothing against him, but I don't know why there. Maybe that retirement. I don't know why there.
For now, he's not just.
And we get some very good strikers. See the Desas doing what for Rangers. And one more talk about again. Tolu Arokodare, highest goal scorer in Belgium or Genk, 16 goals. Highest goal scorer Nigerian, doing so well for himself. But I don't know what you kind of like is educated back from injury. So we get players who say on the good day, they are regulars, they are playing. No, I can't a pack list like rats. Choose your player, let's rest and let's know what we are doing. Every player, you cannot please every player. That is, some will get invited. There will always be controversy. Whether they come up because everybody get their own regular. Everybody get biased to play what they like. But the thought of you as a coach and fans must be different. That's why you're a professional coach and we are noisemakers. No, I'm not a noisemaker. That's why I'm a journalist. You're a coach. I don't know why these all pack players full everywhere. Just to get out of
like
here.
Chelsea.
Now, should Nigerians be worried considering the fact, say, we did 3 points, while the likes of Rwanda did 7, South Africa 7, Benin Republic 7, Lesotho 5, Nigeria 3, Zimbabwe 2. Should we be worried?
We're not going to worry because these people, they drop for them, they don't enter 8 points. And more problem for us. You don't understand. So if they get 3 points, they don't get 10 points. So we should be worried. That is why these 2 games, now what we know about negotiate, 6 points or nothing, collect 3 points for Kigali, come home against Zimbabwe.
Can we get those 3 points?
That's
6 points from these 2.
That's why I say determination, determine destiny.
These players be like people who go bring
yes, because they are at the prime of their career because they know what is at stake. In fact, they need the World Cup past the coach. The coach just the building CV. They want to play the World Cup. If they don't play the World Cup now, they might play the World Cup where they don't at the end stage where they don't reach this guy age. And go right.
I don't know why. I'm not worried. I don't know where the confidence they come. Maybe devil they use me, but I'm not worried at all about the Super Eagles of Nigeria. Like my confidence level right now is so high. So we'll qualify. I don't know where they come from. Maybe that might be hacked or something, but I'm not worried in any little way. I believe we'll go beat these 2 teams and we'll go beat them convincingly. Hopefully, they'll not make me look like a fool after the matches. Hopefully.
So you feel say we not go do all those arithmetic what would you do?
We don't. If you win all our games
like this guy,
and we get luck because other teams go all over.
See the mathematics.
Other teams go drop. And also remember, first automatic qualification, second qualifiers. So we don't need to do top 2. We know our games. We do top 2. I'm sure.
All right, no be small something and I don't hear and you say fit shook your mouth put those players where you feel say fit execute this one from this provisional list. Make you let us know when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Football Republic NG on top YouTube. Don't forget to hit that notification button. All right, from this one we're concerned the Nigerian side. Make we sharply waka from that one. Waka enter the one will be say concern the EPL tables and fixtures. And of course, take a look at the title race.
They don't race. What
done race? Or dusted?
Finished. There's no race. One race. The race is done. It's finished. Which race they again? What the Arsenal want to do again? Let's be honest. See, the problem not be about Arsenal chasing Liverpool. Now Arsenal chasing themselves. What the Arsenal want to again? Win what? People will not get striker. Who won't win? No, let's be honest here. Now say Arsenal fans, bro, like it's just like Netflix. Watch and get tired. It's horrible. This is the 3rd season. Where Arsenal the first season they make excuse. Say the team then they're young. They are young. Second season, all of them they fit to. Third season they blame injury. That club is cursed. I regret the day. The day. Now my elder brother is a very useless boy. My elder brother. Now I mean sport like he sport Arsenal. The mumu go sport Arsenal. Now he be a Shadow fan. Now he does not care about what happened with Arsenal. Now me, very useless man. I carry Arsenal for my head. The day that, but I don't call him name, but he's a very useless man. Very useless. I remember calling for Arsenal. Nonsense.
All right, Emmanuel. You don't see how things take. Do you agree with Buchi saying and done and dusted for Liverpool?
See, football is not run like that. See, look at the table. Liverpool played a game ahead, 1 game ahead of Arsenal to 47 points. Arsenal still get 1 outstanding game. 27 games, they've won 15. They're on course. Nobody don't win 15 Premier League games. People don't win past them. And Liverpool, 20 games. You understand? Look at the table, 54 points. Arsenal needs to win 3 straight games, 9 points. And they get 11 games before the end of the season. So in the football game rules and regulations, the organizers of the English Premier League, no, they don't just hand over the trophy, give Liverpool, say it's done and dusted. No. We don't see a situation when Arsenal the top table with 13 points. They end up losing the league title. So 2015, 2016, it happened. Leicester win out. So who told you that the same thing will happen to Liverpool? How many points? It's 13th. The same point that they take past.
Liverpool be like people where go
drop.
Relax now. They never see Liverpool go still play matches. This is the period of giant killers. They go play smaller teams, and those smaller teams, check the table again. If you go back to the table, the real tough problem that the top 4. I don't know, maybe they show the table. Now the top 4, from Nottingham Forest down to Aston Villa. Everybody on that lock table get chance to make the top 4, and the top 4 comes with the fact that they play Champions League, Europa League, or Conference League. So problem going when Liverpool will start to play all those smaller teams on the lock table. So opportunity there for Arsenal can still win. They don't go just blow whistle. If they say Arsenal no get strikers, but Arsenal they go away, they go score 6-7 goals for continental competition. Look at the table for instance. Nottingham Forest, City, Chelsea, Newcastle United, Bournemouth, Brighton, and Hove Albion. All of them get opportunity to make top 4, and Liverpool go come down, play these guys. So you know go just hand over the saying no. So the league to me, the league is not done and dusted. The Arsenal still have a chance. It might not really be a very good chance, but they stand a chance too, because Liverpool cannot go a season without losing 2 or 3.
Okay. Last about Arsenal, I go swear for you. Don't move.
All right, Buchi. For Liverpool, you know, say the other time now, John, I make them. Initially in a 3-horse race last season before it come on to 2-horse race between Arsenal and of course Man City. But this time around, Liverpool they try and make statement as far as they concerned.
They don't make statement. What do you want me to make again now? Let me alone. No. They don't make statement already now. They 13 point be beats now. You have to wait for the Arsenal win the league and then be happy.
It's not yet too bad now.
I wish them the best of luck.
It's not yet too bad.
Me, I don't already congratulate them already. I'm done.
What if Arsenal now
where you feel say the likes of Man City, Chelsea, or probably maybe Aston Villa?
No. Leave the coaches here.
No, where you feel say then go end up by the time where league will end. I pray because I like when two teams, when small teams, not like small, not here for them to be small teams, and they get big history. But right now, this is an achievement for them. I like when all these clubs from nowhere come out and make top 4. I'm glad Nottingham Forest to at least make that top 4. The good news about them is say we might see 5 Premier League clubs in the Champions League next season. So I believe say Man City go did here. Man City go 5 we enter that top 4. Chelsea, I don't want them go anywhere. I don't even go Europe. I want them feel like 10th, 13th. I want them to be relegate. Useless club. I don't even like anything about them. I dislike them on my soul. But they just go down. So I want to be top 4. Liverpool, Arsenal, Man City, maybe a Newcastle and a Nottingham Forest. I don't want to see Chelsea. They're useless. What the fucking are they doing there? Who give their life? All right, still on top of the Premier League. What we talk
Nobody
about.
Wants your top 4. Nobody care about your top 4.
My top 4, Arsenal number 1.
They ask you.
Talk.
My top 4, Arsenal number 1, Liverpool 2, Nottingham Forest 3, City 4, Chelsea 5.
If Arsenal win this Premier League, I give you £1 million.
You don't even get.
All right, still on top Premier League.
You think I'm your father?
Some time ago.
Office contribution. Family contribution.
Still on top Premier League.
Now you won't share that.
Still on top Premier League waka. The other time we hear say fans come out to protest the owners of Chelsea, to protest against the owners of Chelsea, and we dey hear up a few days ago say Manchester United supporters they also plan their own protest. And now it be like saying a protest be the order of the days this time around when things they go the way we say the club wants to make you go. But then make we take a look at all these things where they happen for football, all these Glazers out, Todboli and Egbali out, all those ones. The owners, now them be the problem.
If you are tired of supporting the club as a fan, go your house, get out, they force you. Nobody's paying you to support the club. I don't tire. Fans get entitled way too much. I'm not defending the owners. Owners, they get their touches. Yes, the Chelsea owners.
But these guys are bringing out money. They are buying players.
It's an investment. It's a big investment. Yes, they make me see. The beauty about football is say whether on the pitch or outside the pitch, you can make mistakes, but also you can try to fix mistake. The Coco be say, are they trying? They are trying. Chelsea be get mistake now. Say when they hold them, Abramovich come out, Marina come out, and they brought in new guys who don't be football. But at least they try. You have fans every day. They don't get life. Go and support some other club. Don't you have like support your wife, support your family business. Do something with your life. You dey protest and go. Then okay, if una no say una found against us, make una form community, buy club now. Go and buy the club and do the club any way you want. You think it's easy? Fans are so loud. Do like this. Your partner don't do it before. Like I hate that shit when fans get too entitled, especially on Manchester United and Chelsea. Like who be Chelsea? Chelsea was a nothing club. Come on, let me first. Chelsea was a nothing club. Chelsea became a club during Obasanjo's second regime. Chelsea was a useless club. Who knew them before? It was all money that got them up. Most Chelsea fans right now are ex-Arsenal fans. Who them be? They call it good clean. They put them 2001. I they born Chelsea. The same age with who? Intention for this office. Entitlement. Man, you fans are fucking old. Old and go and die. What's wrong with you? I don't like all this fucking entitlement. It pisses me off a lot. Be your number one responsibility as a fan. Support the club or get out. You want to protest? Fuck off, Joe. Get out.
Jovita, supporting football in England is rituals. The area, the region where you dey. You understand?
It's the rituals. You know,
the area where you dey. The area where you dey, the club where they there, you must support them. So now they are football fans, fans protest, na part of the game. So for you to tell them say they don't get right,
that's not what I said.
You don't get sense.
That's not what I said.
You understand?
I
get friend for Newcastle since where they born.
Newcastle.
You understand? All our life, our siblings, our parents, now Newcastle United they support. If you don't know Chelsea. All the while, maybe not 2021 they come to limelight. You are right. Maybe as a pop money inside some Ogbonge players, fine. But when they do well based on the pedigree, the record they don't create in the past. They got opportunity to say now we be this now. We know who we be in 2021. We know we be in 2021, 2022. You understand? We know they do well again. They go protest against the new owners, the new management. Now you know if you tell them say may they fuck off. You understand? So you go need to withdraw a statement, make apology to them.
Your papa statement.
You understand? Now so you dey anywhere in the world. Now because we look here. You understand? We don't get opportunity to support our own football club with emotions, with everything like that. Now it make everybody get one or two soft spots for any team now.
Money don't spoil football. Because this now billionaires we don't take over these club sites. And yet, for some people, they say, like the Glazers, they say then they all about the profits. They don't said whether they win or they don't win. Money don't spoil football.
I will answer you with the words of one of the greatest coaches ever, Sir Alex Ferguson. When he advised coach, say, if you go new club, don't look at the club, look at the owner. The owner, they're more important than even the club because the owner depends on whether the club will go well or the club will go well. Like we get good owners, we also get bad owners. That's how life they be. Some of these men don't understand football. Let me give you a good example. When Kroenke take over Arsenal Football Club, for like 1 or 2 years, Arsenal been stagger. But in Congress, it's going to say, okay, because I be owner, don't mean say I go run the club. As owner, I can't chill, can't appoint people who say, go run the club properly. And you see enough for the next couple of years, it they go well. Being an owner or being an organometer that you go to job, give people responsibility, appoint the right choice, and also hold them accountable for their actions. So money has always been involved in football. But as life they go on, the money don't enter too much money. Football is a luxurious, is a $1 billion investment. It's huge. Football is huge. If you see the income, the inflow of money on football, it is crazy. That's why football be one of the first sports in most countries when come back after COVID, because you know how much they meet in tax. Please just Google how much football they meet in tax in England. Google them. When fans they buy every week, it's luxurious, it's big. Because people normally like football. So marketing go day. Brands will come in. It's not even negotiable. Yeah. Because it's very easy to sell. Fans are in and fans are very emotional. When fans are emotional, they bring in their money. That's why a person carry 600 million people to buy motor. It's very emotional. That's all life take be. So that's football. Money must surely be there. But it depends on how well you use the money.
But one could also look at the quality of players where all this money they go bring in these days. You go say the quality of players don't drop these days, or you feel say now money may can be like say it drop but you no drop.
Now the money don't
You can't answer that. It's
overshadow.
too much for him.
Money don't overshadow
It's too much
the
for him.
potentials of the players. The talent they, but the money don't suppress the potentials of those talents. You don't reduce. Don't suppress them down. Those football money, the kind of money where they football right now, you know, they like that last 10 years, 15 years ago. You understand? And those talents, that's why we recognize the impact of those talents then. What we see the likes of Alexander De Peru, you know, Edgar David, Zinedine Zidane, the kind of money where they now don't pass the talent of those football stars already. So I go say it, and again, football for England now purely marketing, strictly marketing. Now business, not be, you know, Germany passion day, commitment day, and they get this zeal to promote German culture through football. But England now strictly marketing from the championship to the Premier League.
If you, I beg you, if you have smart question, please ask smart person. Please, he cannot answer at all. Talking about money, let me tell you the reason why. Nobody say talent no day, but the reason why we will get more talent now because more parents they push their children to go play football because there's a lot of money to be made. Going back in the days, the 80s, the 70s, parents they see footballer say you don't get work, no, serious, you don't get life. Say you want to be footballer, you know they plan your life because most of them they think now doctor, engineer, because they say that's so responsible. But now parents don't wise, don't say this football now bloody money oh. If you see the number of children who parents they push go academies, you go run.
You don't forget even the academy they
so
teach.
Everything.
The academy
so calm down now. So everything. So let me make my point now. So everything changed with time because as a parent, you want your children to be successful. That's now why would they get a low flow of talent because right now they get a lot of people who don't want play. They don't even know when they play for. A lot of kids that can know why they go academy. We'll go try our luck. And then you see a lot of hard-working footballers, not technical footballers. Good at the days, we have a lot of... when you see football, we get technique. It shows you that player, body in body. But right now, you see a lot of players running up and down. They can warm up, do the basic things. Be fit, warm up, run, blah, blah, blah. You can be a footballer. No technique. Check now, especially in England. A lot of players, that's why they can't play outside England. Because they don't see they'll be fined out. That's what the academy does. Give them the ability, make them fit, make them strong. Not technical players. That's why you see players in Italy, players in Spain. They're still probably the best of players because these players, they teach them ball before they won't sabi ball. And when you see players who sabi ball, you go know. From the way they move, the way they control, you go see footballer. So it's obvious right now. So football still there, but right now, parents especially are looking to make money for their children.
Now look at the quality of young stars these days.
Then
you go
one of few
17, 15. I never hear of one 14-year-old Man United boy now. I hear say they don't shoot. I put for him body.
And I don't like that thing. I don't like him because I think they push these young players to play ahead of their time. And when they reach like 27, 28, they don't die. Good example I'm telling. It's not right medically. To start they play. You see, football is stressful. These players are heavily fit. These players are heavily fit. You know they used to run. You get players who go run for 90 minutes. They breathe and they breathe. They will run when they're very fit. So it's not good psychologically, mentally to put a 16-year-old, a 17-year-old playing a men's sport. Let these boys get their men's strength. You start getting your men's strength at 22, 23, 23, 4. So we're not telling me no men they could go and go men's strength. No one understand go men's strength because they have been useless all their life. So it's different. So let players play when they are ready. Let it happen naturally. Whether I like it or not, we'll still get a lot of young players. But now they are too much. Yeah. They are because the inflow is pissing me off. If I want to, my son is going to wait till like he's 20 to make a professional debut.
So
let them go through the process.
To say if a club like Barcelona, Real Madrid come for your pick, you go say no until you complete.
Let him know. I'm going to say go to the academy, go to the process is actually very important. See, if you see players who go through the process, check their last. They last well. Use a good example. If Victor James Osimhen, 17, under 19, under 21, under 23, national team. It helps you become a better player in terms of sense, in terms of strength, in terms of ability, in terms of delivery. Some of Chukwu is it true. No, they push players too fast. No, they push them too fast. They will make the money shout, but will they make a very good career? Wrong.
What do you think?
He can't say anything. He can't say anything. He can't say anything.
The quality, I feel so because the age grade of those competitions, they really get media publicity where they need. Like the under 16, under 15, no really they up there like the main
That's
competition. So the main competition, the senior team there. If they give more priority, more publicity to the age grade competition, the under 16, under 17 club level, I feel say even the age level when they talk, the age grade, I feel say a player would day from that 14th, he would aim to enter, play that under 16, under 17, stay there for a while, gain experience before you go move on. So until we develop that age grade, because if you take that age grade as academy, where they will just come a passage through to the main team, then you are killing those players.
And to add to it, we forget say all this young competition under 17 World Cup is not really to win. It's transition to find the best of players. Check the best of players who don't qualify. Their country no win. Most of their countries no win. But if you are obsessed with winning under 17, under 19, you are killing with talent. Now transition, now growth we define, not exactly win. You know, under 17, no go win under 20, no go win under 23, no go win under 30. Life continues.
All right. Finally, what if you say Abramovich, as an owner, don't do? We make the club, grow, reach the extent before wetin happen.
He built a relationship.
Where others will take from.
He built a relationship with the players and the fans. If you go now today, go ask the likes of John Terry, ask the likes of Lampard, DJ Drogba, Carvalho, Peter Cech. These players, I don't build relationship with them. It gets no negative value because then go they stage coaches to Ram. But it also does very good because the fans go to say, our coach love our players. So the fans go love that coach. Because the players, the fans go love that owner. Because fans, they see everything. And if you look on well, the likes of Lampard, Terry, they put in their 100% at Chelsea. So he built a relationship, whether you like him or not. Money is good, but money without a relationship,
what has been missing from
that relationship is useless. You have to build a solid relationship with your players. It's very, very key. Whether as a owner of football club or any company, but if your staff are not for you, brother, you're going to fail woefully.
But you don't build what you don't have now. The new owner, they sport friendly, they football friendly like Abramovich. Abramovich, they go
it's all about business for these guys.
Strictly business. That's why they invest money, it makes money. For Abramovich, he had this relationship. He loved the sport. He wants to be around the players. He wants to see how the fans in the stadium. He wants to see the stadium feel.
Use our way to talk random.
All right, don't be sporty, my people. Now here we go to pause on top football Mede podcast. We go come your way another Wednesday. But before that time, make sure say you follow us, you hit that notification button, check us out and follow us. Not just follow us, shook mouth, because we want to hear from you as well. From Emmanuel Atta and of course Onokalo Onyebuchi, and from me, my humble self, Jovita Ike, I say my people, we're gonna keep a date with us again. Obiariji.